Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and launching the right mode. Make sure live photo is on if you plan to convert to stop motion later. This preserves frames. Once positioned, stabilize the iPhone, tripod, or steady surface to avoid drift between shots. Tap camera, then select photo for manual frame capture or time-lapse if you prefer automated intervals. We'll use photo for precise stop motion. Now frame your first composition. Lock exposure and focus by pressing and holding until AE/AF lock appears. Then take the initial shot. Next, capture frames methodically so motion appears smooth. Turn on the grid to keep consistent horizon and use AE/AF lock so lighting doesn't shift. This prevents flicker. Make a precise, small movement of the subject, then take the next photo. Repeat with identical increments. Consistency is the why behind smooth playback. Use a Bluetooth remote or the self-timer to avoid touching the phone. Periodically review frames, correcting alignment immediately. Keep a steady cadence. It's better to shoot extra frames than too few. Finally, assemble and refine your stop motion. Import the sequence to Photos or a video editor, then export images as a video or compile in an app. Set frame rate between 12 and 24 FPS depending on desired smoothness. Lower FPS looks choppier. Make sure frames are in order and trimmed. If you see jumps or flicker, fix by stabilizing, matching exposure, or reshooting those frames with smaller movements. One key troubleshooting tip. If alignment drifts, use a reference marker and reshoot from the last good frame.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.